Okay, today it's Friday, and as every week, twice a week, we're coming here to the Botanic Gardens. I come normally here with Kaylee and Rusty and go for a big walk, and sometimes take my knitting with and sit peacefully here and quiet. Now you can hear the birds singing. Some visitors coming to visit the gardens. A lot of tourists are coming here, spending the morning. Today is such a beautiful day. As you see, I came with Kaylee. She's here, right here by me. There's Kaylee sitting in the sun. There's Kaylee sitting in the sun. Go and see her, there she is. Hello Kaylee. She's enjoying the sun. And where's Rusty? Where's Rusty? Where's my little Rusty? I think it's right there. There's Rusty. There's Rusty. Hello Rusty. Hello my boyki. Hello. Yeah, and then I'm sitting here now. It's approximately like 11 o'clock in the morning. Took Kaylee's pram with because Kaylee can't walk, so it's difficult for me to carry her basket. And then as you see there, I've got my nice little pillow, and of course I've got my knitting. I have to finish my shawl for March, so I took my knitting. And yeah, I got like 15 designs finished. I have to do 5 more designs and then send it to London. And then the next video I'm going to do with a walk without the dogs, and take my reborn babies with and see what the reaction is from the people when they see them. It's nice to do this because a lot of people here in South Africa, they don't know what is a reborn baby, so I'm having a lot of fun and then enjoying communicating with other people. Look at these beautiful flowers at the back there. Okay, that's all now. Enjoy your day and see you later. Bye.